Welcome to the Fed Up, Not Fucked Up, otherwise known as Fun Fu, meditation. You are listening to Laura Foster, your guide and founder of Souls Healing Humanity. Let's get started. Take in a deep breath and close your eyes. Breathe in beauty. Breathe out bullshit. Yeah, big steaming piles of it, because it's everywhere in your life. And if you happen to be listening at the holiday season, you're getting extra helpings. But you are here now. And as you listen to this meditation, you will begin to feel a fabulous release. Now think about the last fucker that pissed in your cornflakes. Now, I want you to picture a giant hot air balloon. Yeah. Visualize the largest knitting needle you have ever seen. Puncture. Pop. Shh. Let gravity do its job. Now, you are standing with your feet in the sand at the base of a vast ocean. Feel Mama Ocean. Caress your bare feet. Take comfort in knowing that you are just fed up. You are not fucked up. You never have been. You are not broken. You are not damaged. You are just fed up with all the human bullshit programming and conditioning that you have endured. But there is a way out, and it is through, and it is in knowing your true self. Breathe in peace. Breathe out all the fuckwittery of humanity. Know sometimes it's just best to wet your finger and turn the motherfucking page. That's right. New beginnings. Pack your bags. Fuckity-doo-dah to all the naysayers in your life. You are the author of this story. You are choosing your next best adventure. Breathe in courage. Breathe out those bitch-ass motherfuckers that tell you you can't, you shouldn't, oh, you better not. Continue to choose to peel back the layers of your programming. Only you can come into alignment with your true self. Only you can do the work. You cannot do anyone else's work. You cannot create their reality. You can only create your own. That is the secret. Take one last deep breath. In and out. Keep shedding. Keep aligning. Choose love. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, I love all you people. This is Laura Foster with Souls Healing Humanity.